Oh crap. Holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, that hit it right at the kayak. Holy crap. Dude. Starting off the day right. Holy smokes, bro. Check that out. Dude. I'm gonna weigh it just because it's a good fish. Oh my gosh. He literally hit it right at the side of the boat. I mean, right here. $3.6. I will take that any day of the week. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. All right, buddy. See you later. Holy, that is a good start right there. Okay guys and gals, I turned my cameras off because, well, I wasn't catching anything. Well, this ended up happening, and it's not on film, but here you go. I just caught this bad boy, this chatterbait. I had about a 45-minute dry spell there, and no longer. Caught this. This may be my new PB. I'm not sure. But it's gonna be pretty close. I think it is. Dude. Literally my PB. 4.6. There you go. So, well, I mean, I'm not upset by any means. I'll take that any day of the week. He was right out here, kind of halfway between this stump and the grass. Hey folks, so today was interesting to say the least. We started off on a leg of the lake that spilled over underneath the road, and then on the other side of the road is where we started. The wind wasn't horrible there, but it was still pushing us around enough to be annoying. I put the kayak in, and within a few casts I got a fish. You saw it. It literally grabbed my lure as I was pulling it out of the water, swooped up there and snagged her right up. I'll take it, whatever. So I'm not sure if that's a sign that topwater should have been what I was fishing with. There were some fish popping on the water, top of the water when I got there, but every time I threw a topwater out there, it wasn't doing anything. The second fish you saw that I was talking about, the 4.6, the one that I met my PB with, I didn't break it, but I have two 4-pound 6-ounce bass now, and that's both of them are my PB, I guess. Yeah, I had about a 45-minute dry spell prior to that, so I turned my cameras off. It makes sense that when I turn my cameras off, the fish bites and I get a really good bass. But anyways, that happened. After that, man, we went a good 2-3 hours without catching a fish, without getting a bite or anything. Finally, we went onto the main lake, paddled and paddled and paddled, going over white caps. It was a struggle getting across the lake. We were going on the northwest end of the lake, and it was a northern wind, so we were paddling right into the wind the entire time. Rough go. But we made it. We got there. We got there and I caught one relatively soon after we got there. After that, nothing. I don't know. We were throwing everything we had at them. I caught my fish on, the first one was a square bill, craw-colored crank, 1 to 2 foot diving crankbait, pretty small. Second one was on a chatterbait, a blue and black chatterbait with a dark colored soft swim bait on it, paddle tail swim bait on it. And then the third was, yeah, a rattle trap, relatively large one. Other than that, they weren't biting anything else. They didn't like soft plastics. They didn't like a slow finesse retrieve. We were confused. We had a huge storm front come through last night. A lot of rain, a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, obviously. And we had some hail in some spots, but huge storm came through and the wind is still howling. I mean, that's part of the tail end of the system. It's pulling it out of here. Tomorrow is supposed to be sunny and less wind. They said today was going to be 20 to 30. Tomorrow is going to be 10 to 15. So half the wind. It's going to be a big difference, even with 10 to 15 miles per hour, because today it was just absolutely horrible. I think they would have been on some beds if it wouldn't have had the rain. I think today would have been a good bed day if the rain wouldn't have happened. Yeah, I think it messed them up. I think they went a little deeper, went back a little deeper. But yeah, it was a rough day. Kind of annoying at times. Wind always messes things up. I mean, your line goes everywhere. It's pushing you in directions you don't want to go. You have no cast control, very little cast control. Yeah, it's a real pain, to be honest with you. Didn't get skunked. That's a good part. I didn't. Colby, on the other hand, no. He didn't get skunked. He caught one. I forgot about that. Didn't get it on camera, but it was a small one. But yeah, so we didn't get skunked. That's a good thing. Could have been worse. So we're gonna get out of here, and hope you enjoyed today's content. I'm sorry I missed a few fish. The third fish I missed getting on camera, I turned my GoPro on and it just decided to turn off for some reason. I'm not really sure what happened, but after I went back on it and checked to see if I got the footage, it just wasn't there. It turned off immediately after I pressed the play button, or the resume, or the record button, and that was it. But it was my fault for turning the cameras off when I caught the bigger fish. I won't let that happen again. In the meantime, enjoy your weekend. Get out there, even though it's windier than crap. Get out there, try to do something outside. But that wraps it up for today. We went out, caught a few fish. I messed up, didn't get them all on camera. That's my fault. I won't let it happen again. But I'm gonna do the best to make a video out of this, which if you're hearing this, I obviously made a video and hopefully it was good. So if you like my content, like it, share it with your friends, press that big red subscribe button below. Anything helps. I absolutely love you guys. Get out there, have a good weekend, and we will see you tomorrow with some more fishing action on Weekenders TV. We will catch you later.